Hey everyone, hello, namaste, welcome back to Get Peppy with me. So, how are you all? I hope everyone is having a fantastic, amazing festive season at home. And today I am at Sri Swarna Kanchi located at Kottapet and totally excited to record their beautiful mid-range bridal set. So it's not too heavy, not too light, but just so perfect. You're getting set of 6 bridal set at a range of just 18 lakh rupees, which is really something all the bride should pin this video for and come to the store, because this set of 6 bridal set is just so lightweight within 195 grams. Yes, I will show you the estimate of each and every piece that I am wearing today, be it choker, haram, set of 2 bangles, earring, mang tika, everything added, and you will not believe you're getting it for a range of 18 lakh. And if you like more varieties or you want to explore something in a specific detailing, you can also come to the store and explore the large variety of lightweight to heavy mid-range jewelry also available at the store. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video and explore for the very first time set of 6 bridal set from Sri Swarna Kanchi at the range of just 18 lakh rupees. This bridal set, what took my attention was this very lightweight Chand Bali detailing long Rani Haram with coin detailing, Kasula Peru detailing with red and green color stone. You guys will not believe the net weight of this is just 42 grams. So I will show this to you how beautiful it looks. Just look at the detailing of it, the coin detailing of Goddess Lakshmi, ball detailing, Chand Bali detailing in red color stone and spiral stone detailing. Till the top, it's a similar detailing in red and green color stone. It's a very lightweight long Rani Haram which brides can wear it on their wedding day. And if we talk about the estimation, this piece is coming close to 42.163 gram, wastage is coming close to 14.99%. And let me show you the estimates of this long Rani Haram which is coming in Chand Bali detailing. So as of today's gold rate, price of this is 3,64,189 rupees. These are all the other details of rubies, GST, gold cost, everything that you can see. Ram Parivar detailing choker which has pumpkin red color stones, and you can see this kind of mango detailing, green color stones, CZ stones. Ram Parivar में देखिए कितना amazing detailing है, which you can see Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman. You can see amazing cow detailing. बहुत अलग है इसका workmanship if you guys are seeing. It's really very lightweight also. Let me show you the net weight of this choker, which is coming close to 30.253 gram, wastage is 12.99%. Just look at it. I'm showing you the estimates of this choker as of today's gold rate. You can see that the design of it is Nellore style. You can see the net weight and other detailings of it. You can see what is the pearl cost, the color stone cost, the zircon cost, everything included in this short necklace, which you can see in today's video. This item in the bridal set is this Chand Bali detailing antique finish hanging earring with beads in a bright pink color, green color and CZ stones. Such a beautiful, gorgeous piece. So let me show you the tag of it. Net weight of this piece is coming close to 8.2015 gram. Wastage is 13.99%. And let me show you the estimates of it. Price of this piece is coming close to 71,817 rupees. You can see the ruby weight estimations of the other color stones and GST, everything included, which is coming to the price of 71,817 rupees. This item in a hip belt is this kind of a hip belt, Vadyanam waist belt. Without this, the bridal look is incomplete. In this kind of hip belt, we are actually reducing on the cost of the belt. We are actually keeping a thread, and the center part of itself is a bridal look, complete bridal look. It does not have any motifs of gods and goddesses motifs at all. All pearl detailing, color stones and flower detailing can be seen. You can see bright pink color stones, green spiral stones and this kind of red teardrop pattern CZ stones. The detailing of this hip belt is so beautiful. Just look at it. Such a brilliant piece this is. Let me show you the net weight of this hip belt and other details if you guys want to see. Net weight is coming close to 85.478 gram, wastage is 12.99%. That's about this gorgeous hip belt in such a lightweight. The next item in this bridal set is this Nakshi detailing, Chand Bali mein Nakshi detailing set of 2 bangle earring, which is really very beautiful. Let me show you the look of it, how beautiful this is. Just look at the design and the detailing from front. Wow, it's such a simple, elegant, beautiful set of 2 Nakshi detailing set of 2 bangle. Net weight of this piece is coming close to 21.328 gram, wastage is coming close to 14.99%. So let me actually wear it and show it to you guys how beautiful it looks like. It looks like this. You can wear 2 bangles in one hand or you can wear it separately also. Estimates of this set of 2 Kada bangle, which is coming close to 1,83,617 rupees. Such a beautiful set of 2 bangle here. Cherry on the cake is this kind of an antique mangtika where you can see goddess Lakshmi, CZs detailing spiral stones, bright pink color stones, and this kind of an amazing hook which you can actually keep and wear it like an gorgeous bridal accessory. Net weight of this piece is coming close to 5.433 gram, wastage is 13.99%. Even here we are reducing the weight of chain. We're just keeping a hook which you can actually keep it on your hair and wear like a beautiful hair accessory. Coming to the estimates of this mangtika is coming close to 48,610. Really lightweight. You can see other details like a stone detailing weight, what is the price of it, gold weight, everything which is mentioned here for this mangtika. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this collection of set of 6 bridal set from Sri Swarna Kanchi located at Kottapet. And if you guys want to explore more varieties like this, you should definitely come to the store. And this store is located at Kottapet. I will mention the address of the store in the description box down below to explore this kind of amazing jewelry available at low wastages, amazing design, offers and amazing discounts are also available at this store. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Take care and have a great festive season. Bye bye.